Let's say you're selling your car and it's a mid-sized station wagon. Someone has responded to your ad and you're talking to them on the phone. Your discovery open-ended questions could go like this. What sort of cars have you been looking at? I've been looking at mid-sized station wagons like yours. Okay, so why have you been looking at mid-sized station wagons? Well, I need a wagon so that I can put my 2 dogs in the back. I don't want them jumping over the seats anymore. Well, that makes sense. What will you be using the car for mostly? Shopping. Oh, and taking the dogs out. Who else will you be sharing the car with, and what's important to them? The dogs, they love going out in the car. Oh, and my son, he's learning to drive. Oh, okay. What sort of transmission is your son learning on? Automatic. It has to be an automatic. Okay, what else is important to you? I love listening to podcasts when I drive, so I need Bluetooth. Great. From what you've told me, it sounds like my car is perfect for you. It's got everything that you're looking for. When would you like to come and see it? When the buyer comes to look at the car, the first thing you do is show them how the Bluetooth works, the automatic transmission, and how the grille goes on the back to stop the dogs from jumping over the seats.